Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have by DURATECH, and it is a 12-piece little set. I kind of opened it up just a little bit really quickly, but it is a bunch of wrenches and stuff, but it is little mini stubby ones. Like, they're super convenient. Like this, you get all the way from 8mm all the way to 19mm. And it's got its own little carrying case and stuff, but look at how small these are. These are nice little stubby ones to use, but what's cool about it is it has like the little ratcheting part on it, but then you can turn it, and so you can ratchet from the top as well. So you got that, and then if you want to go backwards, you can do that way. So super cool little kit here. And that was the 15. We have 14, and these are nice and durable. And you can see they ratchet really nice in there. And these are like super strong, really good ones here. And it does say the number, the 14 on there as well on both sides. So you can always know the size. So how cool is that? It even has the 10, the 10. Everybody needs the 10. It should come with like 5 of those. Everything should come with 5 10s because everything seems to use 10, at least especially on my Tesla. So that's it. Here's a nice little kit, and if it folds back up again, it's got a little snap over here, and it rolls up all the way this way here. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and then it Velcros up on there. And now I've got my little wrench kit I always have with me. So super cool and always convenient. Thumbs up for sure.